If you're still using Excel for bookkeeping and want to switch to a cloud-based tool, this is your quick, no-fluff guide to get it done in minutes and avoid the mess others run into. I've tested the most popular cloud bookkeeping tools, and by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to migrate, what to look out for, and how to start using smarter software today. Stick around because I'll also share a tip that can save you hours during the migration. And there's an exclusive free trial in the description for the software I personally recommend. First, open your Excel file and make sure it's clean. That means no random notes, merged cells, or unused tabs. You want only the actual data, income, expenses, categories, and dates. If your spreadsheet is chaotic, take a few minutes to organize it. Trust me, the better your starting point, the smoother the migration. Next, export your Excel sheet as a CSV file. Most cloud bookkeeping tools use this format to import data. In Excel, click File, then Save As, and select CSV. Make sure you name it something easy to find. Now let's jump into the software we'll be using. Head over to the dashboard and look for the Import or Migration section. This is usually under Settings, Transactions, or sometimes directly in the Banking tab, depending on the tool. Click on Import CSV, select your file, and the software will start matching columns like date, description, amount, and category. Here's where most people trip up: column mapping. Double check that each column from your CSV lines up with what the software expects. If it asks you to confirm headers, make sure your top row in Excel clearly labels each field before uploading. Once your data is mapped, the software will give you a preview. Review everything carefully, look for misclassified entries or missing rows. If it looks good, hit Import. Now, reconcile. This means checking the imported transactions against your bank statements or receipts. Most cloud bookkeeping tools help automate this, and it's way easier than doing it manually in Excel. You can also now set rules. For example, every Uber charge goes under transport. This saves you time going forward. At this point, your Excel data has been successfully migrated to cloud bookkeeping software. You now have live bank feeds, automated reports, and your bookkeeping is accessible anywhere. Here's the key takeaway. Migrating from Excel to cloud bookkeeping tools doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's all about prepping your spreadsheet properly, mapping columns accurately, and reviewing your data before importing. Once done, you'll wonder why you didn't switch earlier. Quick recap. Clean your Excel file, save it as a CSV, import it into the software, map the fields, review, import, and reconcile. That's it. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with the exact software I used, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description just for viewers of this channel. I highly recommend you take advantage of it, especially if you're ready to leave spreadsheets behind for good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.